About the general general ledger accounting groups. So we are going to the general ledger accounting group. We have two screens. One is the SAP consultant screens and SAP end user screens. If we open the SAP, we open the SAP. We have two screens on SAP. In the default, we have two screens. Is the SAP consultant screen and SAP end user screen. What is the SAP consultant screen is? In these screens, the SAP consultant will do all configuration and all customization according to the client requirement in Sandbox, development server, quality server, and production server he is using. And where is the SAP consultant screen? We have to go to the SAP consultant through this. Enter the SP arrow. And what is the SAP end user screen is? In this screen, the SAP end user will post the day-to-day business transactions of the client in a production server. And go to the SAP reference IMG and shortcut key is F5. Shortcut key is F5. Okay. First of all, first step, we are going to see the creation of the general ledger accounts. Creation of the general ledger accounts. In a SAP F5, we have 4 sub-modules. The general ledger accounting, and second one is accounts payable AP, and third one accounts receivable AR, and fourth one account asset accounting. So now we are in a first SAP F5 sub-module called general ledger accounting. In a general ledger accounting, we have two screens, consultant screen and SAP end user screen. First here we are going to see in a general ledger accounting, we call it the creation of the general ledger accounting master data. In a path, we have to see the financial accounting new. Go to the financial accounting new. It's been slow, it's running. We'll see. Creation of general ledger accounting master data. Okay, let's see. Actually, we have 3 types of general ledger accounting master data. One is centrally, second one is in chart of accounts, third one is in company code. So in centrally, we have a T code called FS00. In chart of accounts, FSP0. In a company code, FSS0. So then financial accounting new and general ledger accounting new. Go to the general ledger accounting new. And go to the master data and GL accounts. These okay, and GL accounts creation and processing, and create a edit the GL accounts. go to the edit GL accounts. And we have here edit GL account centrally, edit chart of accounts data, and edit company code. We go to the first one, edit GL account centrally. So this is a page of the creation of the general ledger accounting master data in a first T code FS00. Here we can see the FS00. In a centrally types of in a three types are is the right in centrally chart of accounts in company code. In a centrally we have a 6 tabs like type / description, control data, we have control data, create / bank / interest, and keyword translation, information, CA means chartered accounts, and information company code COCA. So these are the 6 tabs we have in a central level. So in a central level 6 tabs is there, and in a chart of accounts level we have a types or a description, keyword translation, and information chart accounts. These 3 tabs, information chart of accounts, keyword translation, and types / description, it belongs to the chart of accounts. And company code tabs in the control data, create bank / interest, and information company code, it belongs to the these tabs belongs to the company code. This is the FSS0. Types of tabs in chart of accounts belongs to FSP0, and types of chart of accounts in centrally FS00. So it's okay. Then this is the what we are seeing is in the SAP consultant screen. We came from the SAP consultant screen, SPRO, reference IMG, go to financial accounting new, general accounting new, and master data, GL accounts creation and processing, edit GL accounts individually. There's some sort of hanging is there, so don't worry, I will explain everything clearly. Come on. So we are here, right? We are here created GL account centrally. Okay. So in here, this is actually what's a consultant screen. We came from the consultant screen. So then we have also the end user screen. Actually, what is a SAP Easy Access? We are showing it's actually belongs to the SAP end user screen. So in SAP end user screen, how we are going to open the FS00 is go to the accounting, go to the financial accounting, go to the financial accounting and go to the general ledger, go to the master records, go to the GL accounts, go to the individual processing. Here it is FS00 centrally, FSP0 in chart of accounts, in FSS0 in a company code. Open the FS00 centrally. So this is the screen what we open through the end user screen, and this is the one what we open through the SAP consultant screen. Here it is. I open the new 2 sessions. We can here write create a new session. So we got option like create a new session. It means if we are using this screen, then we can open it consecutively another screen. I have already opened another screen here. Here actually first I open through the consultant screen. So it is open like a create a GL account centrally. But I open the same page in other session, it will show the edit GL account centrally. So which means at a time we can't do the edit. We can't do the edit in a one time in a 2 sessions. So it's already open here. Here open FS00 already open in one session. In another session we can't do anything in the new session in FS00. Same as FS00. So we are here. And also I have to tell you this screen through the whether you came from the consultant screen, whether you came from the end user screen, it doesn't matter. This is only one page. That is which is like we are not thinking about it. That is like another screen. This is another screen. We don't think like that. Okay, let me clear this. Okay, chalo. And also in this page we can use the 2 types of displays. Now we are here and go to the settings, go to the hierarchy display. We go to the hierarchy display and do not display the navigation tree. We are in the do not display the navigation tree and display accounts in a navigation tree. Select the display accounts in a navigation tree and click on enter. The new setting will take effect once the transaction is restarted. So okay, so it's not showing. Actually we have to refresh it. So how? Go to the FS00. Now I am using the transaction code, right? So this is the tree. So assets, we can see the all things in a tree on. Go to the assets. How many GL accounts we are maintaining in a assets group? How many expenses accounts in expenses accounting groups, and how many accounting accounts created in the incomes groups, and how many liabilities, how many in the liability groups, how many accounts we are created. It shows all. So and I also explained these tabs also. And okay, and we need to close the GL account 1 so that we can edit. Okay, so we do create a GL account. So I have already created. Let I explain about what I created in accounts. Let's open equity share capital for edit. So I also explain about these. These are find. This is a new create. If you want to create the new document, new account if you want to open the new account, then you have to click on create. Then you have to display, just select it and go to the display. You can see the existing account details in the this tab. Okay, edit. We can edit the what we existing account. We can, if any changes is there, we can changes in this option. And copy means what, if you want to, in liabilities there, right? In liabilities we need to we want to create the new account in under liabilities, then we can copy it. If it is, for example, equity share capital is there, equity share capital, it's under the liabilities for HCA1. And if you go to the control data, INR is there, tolerance group is there, sort key is there, and create bank interest, field status variant is there. So if you are going to create the one account is related to somehow in this liabilities, it is equal options in these under liabilities, then you can choose the copy option and you can create the new account. Okay, and this is a delete. You can delete the any account here and change the company code. We are in what company code? HEA1. Then in the real time we have a lot of company code, is a 2 or 3 or something, whatever it is. Then what do you want to create the account in which company code? You have to choose first. If it is HEA1, let it be. If it is HEA2 or whatever, so you have to change the company code here. You have to change the company code here, and we can create the general ledger accounts. Okay, this is the thing. This is a print option, and also I have to tell about this. This is actually continue. This box is called the TR code box. Okay, sorry, this is called command box. This is save. If it is click here, command box field will be closed. This is a save. This is back. This is a one page back, and this is the exit. You can exit from the this page, and you have to cancel this page. Then you can exit here. Exit to the navigation. Like you go to the SAP end user screen, and this is a session. I have already told you, create the new session. So these are the things, Armad. Okay, then how to create the accounts, how to create the GL accounts. Let me create one thing. Okay, I'm telling on the option which is the display the navigation tree. If it is the navigation tree, we do the general ledger accounts, we can create the general account. If you do not have if you do not display the navigation tree, how do we create the general GL accounts? Let me see. Okay, here it is. Go to the create. If you want to create the new GL account, you have to go to the GL accounts, new, create. Okay, we have to give the first GL account number. You have to give the GL account number. Which account you want to create it? If I want to create the which account, if we want to create the miscellaneous account, for example, miscellaneous account goes to under expenses. We have to see the available accounting number. We don't know the available accounting number, we can search it. GL account number in chart of accounts, select the chart of accounts. Okay, select the chart of accounts, there it is. Okay, There it is. In what we have given the number ranges for the expenses 4 lakhs. In a 4 lakh, which number is available? 4 lakh it's over, 4 lakh 1 is over, 4 lakh 2 is over. So next number is 4 lakh 3 is available. So go to the 4 lakh 3, select 4 lakh 3 and create. Then we can create the new GL account. It's a miscellaneous expenses comes under expenses. Select the expenses. It's belong to the profit and loss account. Short text, we can give the short text miscellaneous. Miscellaneous account. This short text box takes the minimum 1 character, maximum 20 character. GL account long text, it takes the minimum 1 character, maximum 50 characters. So miscellaneous account. This is our accounting group, profit and loss account, short text, long text. Go to the control data and we have to select the currency. Which currency is using in your company code? So INR, Indian rupee, and we have to select the only balance in local currency. INR is it our local currency or is a foreign currency? It's a local currency. That's why we have to select the only balance currency. If it is USD, US dollars, then we don't need to click the only balance in local currency. Okay, and go to the tolerance group. We have already created the tolerance group for the GL accounts in OBC4, not OBC4, OBA0. We have already created the tolerance group for the OBA0. We can search on here. Then what tolerances we have created? We have created the 50,000 limit, we have created the 75,000, we have created the no limit. Then we can, it is miscellaneous, right? So we can select the 50,000 limit. Is the open item management. What is the open item management option? What it is the open item management which belongs to the outstandings payments, outstandings receipts, and it belongs to the balance sheets only, not expenses, not incomes, not the belongs to the profit and loss. It belongs to the only balance sheets. Like we need to pay in the future, they need to pay in the future to us. So there's an open item management. So we don't need to select the open item management. And what is the line item display? Line item display is actually, if it is we have already created the miscellaneous expenses and we have created the document also. In document which is comes to the next class, we have I will explain everything about the documents, how it created, how it will create. And the line item display, it means if we done any document, any transaction, it's belongs to the miscellaneous expenses, we have to see the miscellaneous expense accounts balances. You need the balances, right? Which is like we have done some date in some transaction. So for example, 1/4/2021 we have done a miscellaneous expenses, and 15/4/2021 we have done a miscellaneous expenses 2,000. We have done a miscellaneous expenses 5,000. So that's the thing. So if we select the line item display, then we can show that report shows the miscellaneous expenses accounts balances. So you have to select it first. Sort key. Sort key means what? Sort key means what? If there is a report, is that if we are in the miscellaneous expenses reports, what do you want to show the system? So let me see what are the options in sort key. if you are in the miscellaneous expenses reports, miscellaneous expenses accounts, so which things you want to show, like if you we need for example we need to take a 002. Why? Because here it is. If you go into the miscellaneous expenses reports, it shows the document number, it shows the fiscal year, so we need that. If you want the documented, you have to select 003. If you want the branch account, you have to select the 004. If you want the posting date, you have to select the 001. CPU date, if you want a CPU date, you have to select the 025. But we need only for the miscellaneous expenses for the document number and fiscal year. Okay, this I have to select. This is a short key, and go to the create/bank and interest. What is the field status variant? We have already done OBC4 field status variant group, which is we have given the settings in a G001 and G005. G005 it belongs to the bank, G001 it belongs to the general. Go to the find option, we have to see the field status groups. So we have to select the G001 general with text allocation. What it means, field status variant group is, we have done OBC4, we have done the some of restrictions, some of restriction in the OBC4. So when you are going to the post the document, so what fields you need to fill, that fields only it shows. In OBC4 G001, in G001 field status group G001, we have configure the text and allocation. In a miscellaneous expenses, we need only text, it's a narration, allocation, the business area, like that. So in G001, it's a perfect for the miscellaneous expenses. If it is the bank account, if it is the ICICI bank, if it is the SBI bank, we have to choose the G005 bank accounts. We have already configured G005 for the posting date also. We have already chosen the optional entry for the posting date. So G005, it's a bank. If it is bank, so we don't, it is not a bank account, right? So we have to give the G001 and go to the GL account. Okay, then we have to save it. This is GL account number 4003. So data was saved. And this way we have to create the GL accounts. So that's why I have already shows the how many GL accounts I have created in the past in a HEA1 company code. So let me see let me see what we have created. Miscellaneous expenses in a expenses. Here it is. Miscellaneous expenses account has been created in a as a GL account under the 4003 account. This account number 40003. This way we have to create the account GL accounts. This is the first step for the general ledger, creation of the general ledger accounts master data. We have already lot of created asset created, expenses created, incomes created, and liabilities created. So this is the class we have today. So we'll see in the future. Thank you.